Yo, check this out. This is Wayne Wonder, representing for Warieka LTV. You see the vision, don't it? See the vision. Warieka LTV. Keep it locked.
No, I'm gonna tell you. We, us as bloggers, these are the issues that we need to address. You understand what I say? You see? Set the path for the youth them. Share, like, and subscribe and stay tuned to the channel. I don't know all this shit. Yes, greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie the First. You see it? Big things are going out the street. We could discuss it now, man. Yo, like up the video them, man. Me I see what going on in the analytics, you know, man. Now watch the video them and they not like them, now watch them full out as well, and they not press like, what that? Where I am there? What kind of thing that's that? Yo, at least like the video them, man. You see, so that it can stay in the stream and people get to see it. Because if it never interests you, you don't watch it. You don't see it. So make some other people watch it by liking it. See? Subscribe. So all viewers and subscribers, bless up yourself. Enough respect. You know, see it. Viewers, subscribe as well. No man, make it grow the channel to 10,000. You know, see it. Get nothing from Babylon. Or one plaque would be nice. You know, see it. Yes, I. So, Bill and Melinda Gates and the Gates Foundation, like it has been cast asunder. And what go on here, so we have a discussion there. You know, see it. Because me know say, a couple of weeks ago, me I observed the media. You know, see it. And when me looking at the media, me hear them say the vaccine, them now release the recipe, I could call it the recipe then. You know, see it. For the formula then. See, for the vaccine to the rest of the world, because by now them should have released it to the rest of the world so that the rest of the world can go so book and get start create them own if it's such as it's giving it such a serious pandemic and thing like that. You get me? I say, and everybody needs as much access as what them can. Seeing on the family, that shouldn't be that hard for other virologists and specialists in other fields. Develop, replicate. See it. So the world out of the blues, a reporter just asked Bill Gates, so are you gonna release the formula so that other people can get for replicate it, like the poorer countries them might not be able to buy it off according to what I said. And you see the question to me from the reporter, it come like say it was a surprise question. It come like say that she flipped the script. You see, like that wasn't part of the script. You see, because I said to him, reaction was fire. It show you the true man who him is. You see, because you know all the while him there, no, the world is this, and if we do that, and we do this and do that, and act composed and nerdy. Yeah? You see, when she ask him that question, then jump back, no. You know, like that baby there, where them are advertising the thing where them give the baby the dummy. They them give the baby the rum. You know them one they give the baby something where the white baby say, no. Or you give the baby the take it, yeah. I say him said the no and jump back like no. And make up him feel. I said, me glad for see, but me I wonder if anybody else pick up on it, because obviously by then the producer in the interviewer years and I said, hey, pull back. You know, see, because she water down the whole question and thing like that and never gonna further, which means wish they'd push him further and ask why and you know what I say? So that's him show him devil self some more, but she leave it at that. Anyway, me I observe the whole thing. You know, see, but other media house and whole people pick it up and tweet it worldwide and thing like that. You know, see it. So it shot, it go viral. You know, see it. In space of a week it go viral and everybody I look down upon him as as a punk and thing like that, because people are saying, oh, that don't make sense, because you have the most concern for eradicate this pandemic here, and yet still, the best way to get it eradicated, you are prevent it because you are claim say, for whatever reason, no other reason can be more substantial than eradication. You know, see it, and you are prevent that with your actions. You know, see it. So, I go so bam now and observe the whole thing till it come along after another week. Me and say, yeah. The Gates Foundation is gonna release the formula. See? You know, see it? Come here, wonder where the world are doing, where the world are saying, when me observe. You know, see it? Yeah, the Gates Foundation will release the formula. Like after a week, some say, yeah. You know, see it? Obviously, you publish system and you. Because, like me say, it go viral and everybody observe it just like me. A whole heap of people observe it. No! You see it? So what if people start sending it and things like that, and everybody I see the big baby I show him rattle out of the pram when them ask him, help the world where you claim say you come for help. You see it? Never see anything like that. No, I say God good, you know, man. You see it? I say no matter how in a which depths some boy I try hide, you know, right? Him coming like when two dogs run go towards one another, they don't know when to stop, you know, and when them reach one another, they just, you know, so they have to run past one another and look back for one another, so and they draw a break and stop like he did. You know what I say? Yeah, them boy don't know when to stop Rasta. You don't see it? At the same thing I'm doing this, so. You don't see it? So him go so down boop and draw back and say, yeah, we are release it to the rest of the world and whatever, rate and blay and lula, you see. But the ass done gone through the gate. You see it? The ass done gone through the gate is established, already established to fit the villainous criteria where the whole heap of conspiracy theorists them always are add. And I try accredit to your name, say, you know, mean the whole prospect of things no good. You see, because you want have full control over a thing like that, a life-saving thing like that, like you try to play a God, you see it, and that the world did view you as a long time, that type of characteristics, that mentality there, you see it. You know, you play right now the end of the world, and everybody see it, and start cheering, you see it, and everybody get educated and get wise up, so you do more damage than good with you now. You know? Yeah, now, like a big baby, you see it? And then 2 weeks after that, now when we look and see what go on. Watch the whole thing. Watch how the whole thing I play out now, you know, people. The wife, Melinda Gates, says she want a divorce. So the two of them say, yeah, the two of them amicably, well, they come to a decision, say, them come to the end of the road. They have been to. Them two things that happened over the past 2 weeks now have nothing to do with them, you know, wanting a divorce. On the third week, you see, you understand, you catch the drift where the thing I go. You see, the denial, the refusal to release the formula to the rest of the struggling world. Yeah, 1 week, the first week, and then the second week, you know, him concede and decide to release it to the rest of the struggling world. See? And then the third week, the wife just says she want a divorce. She a walk with. She want half. She want everything split in a two. You see it? And everybody still humble and say, you know what, them are big people, them are grown, accomplished, successful people. They did it and build it together and things like that. So possibly them deserve a break. You see it? So it's acceptable. Them think these things do happen. But hold on, they know you not done this, so. You see it? Probably about on the 4th week or less than that. All of them time frame where I'm going to apply, you know. It could have lesser time than all of them things because it don't seem that far away either. You see it? Boop right on the back of that now when we look. One sort of this so barely indication in the media about connection with Jeffrey Epstein and things like that before him dead. So it's start go public now and like it come back now as a viral argument, a topic of a conversation, media headlines, and certainly news media and things like that. But the big publishing house them now to run with it. You see that certain like people about the place, certainly media people and them people I say, you know see it. I link back the Jeffrey Epstein relationship and Bill Gates now, where Bill Gates I say a business at him. Well, alright, after Jeffrey Epstein get the first sentence there, where them give him the slap on the wrist and release him. You know, see it. Bill Gates go give him 100 million. So everybody asks why you give him that 100 million there. He must say advice. Advice him get advice. So people observe the whole thing and what kind of advice? And most relationship advice, cause you know see that could have the only thing that Bill Gates have where him could have want to give you. And in regards to the type of relationship where him, Jeffrey Epstein, keep, him could have want to advise you upon, cause no way, shape or form he could have want business advice from them man there. Because you're the second richest man in the world. Every business advisor want to work with you. Your business advisor will work with you for free, just so you have your name on the business and will work for you. You can negotiate how much you want to pay business advisor for work for you. And them do your job and do it with the best of them ability. You see, because them know what you and your company mean to the whole development of things. You see. So I can't say I look for a man when I have no credits and accreditation in a business that much for you see it, and what kind of advice him could have give you a value over 100 million. You see it. So them question the people are asking and I want to know. And them are the most recent question that is being asked of the foundation. You see the man will control the medicine, the man will control the release for the whole thing here. I hope don't piss off that man, you know. Don't piss off that man and tread carefully here, sir. Because that man they gonna have the button, you know, see. They say, press it, say something, you know. Say something. What you mean? See if me not press it. Be careful when I say. Because the man there, yeah, the man there in charge of a lot to do with the humanity right here now, you know, see it. And if the things them wanna accuse him of, some little twisted type of perversion type of thing. You know, see that we don't know how far the perversion go if these allegations are true. You know, see, the perversion can go a lot further and think, yeah, Rasta. Not safe, right, you know. You know, see, the man have a man pan a button which can affect everybody in the world. You know, like that. You know, see that when I provoke the man and I want to call him and sort of thing. I link him with Jeffrey Epstein, like so well then. You know, see him and Jeffrey Epstein have some business are going. Well, him say him pay for business advice. You know, what kind of advice that enough people say look like a woman advice, because Jeffrey Epstein a womanizer, you know? And pedophile and all of them type, but a sexual deviant in all cases. Enough man who go seek advice from a pimp and all them way they have to deal with them wife. You know, to the pimp of a whole heap of girl, you know, see, so a whole heap of man, you know, approach these things different because them have various various little setbacks or little feelings in regards to them little thing there and them confidence. You know, see it. So yes, Rasta look like a man pay Jeffrey Epstein, like Bill Gates paid Jeffrey Epstein 100 million for business advice. People still are trying to find out one for one and them type of thing. What kind of advice that? Cause that they look like that money that sound like so Jeffrey Epstein did advise him to start Microsoft. You know, see, and never take no money from after all the years where it run and just decide say he want the bulk of everything where him did deserve. Boy, I better if him did say that, Rasta, because we don't know what kind of business advice that could have be. You see, yeah, Jeffrey Epstein where them say him a pedophile and he must be dead in a jail and him linked with a whole heap of powerful people right across the world. And they have an island where it's like a harem for children. With some guy will love sleep with children. We love abuse children, go to them island, they go hang out and party and them thing there with the solid one. You know see it. You know see it. So we don't understand what go on this whole thing here. You know, see it how to make it work, Rasta, where it's like a whole thing a crumble, is like, you know, see the Bill Gates thing just running line, go around back and associate itself with the Pizzagate thing and all them little thing there. You know see it? You know see it? So we still don't have no concrete reason why the wife just want a divorce after so many years. Bill Gates asleep with, like him asleep with the half a film staff. Because a whole heap of woman come out of the cracks now as well. Come and talk how much him usually, you know, make them feel uncomfortable within the workplace and thing. And a woman come out and admit how much years what a affair she and him have and them thing there. You see it? Which is being considered as inappropriate now because all of the women them when go after some young girl who working at the company them with him. You see, so people are say he might obviously abusing power for acquire them attention that we get from the woman them. You see it, him abusing power of authority because film company and him money, enough of the woman they would have ever want him. Him not look good neither. Him look like at the best of time, the worst of time, him look like a Scrooge or something like that, to be fair, as a when him natural appearance. You see it, him not really look that fancy and attractive. You see it, and you check it out now. I go to the power and abuse and you know me I say him use for attract them female or get them female, yeah. You see, whole heap of abuse good at there, a whole heap of unanswered question then so behind them allegation, the Bill Gates. You see, so it's more time when we are jump up and a pump up and a go on like so we are the best and we know it all and we like, you know, mankind come to serve us and things like that. And we are shoot out with God complex and them things. That's some little simple thing. Take on it down. Like when I show the Prime Minister earlier, you know, one little bit of information in and the youth, they're motivated to turn the gun them some other direction. You know, see, just like one with Bill Gates, one big powerful Bill Gates. One little bit of information, you know, come like all eyes upon him right now in a negative way, in a disgusting way. Every eyes is, you know what I say? Some more time we have to steer. You know, we lean, be humble. You see it? And don't go on like one make power and fame get to it like so well then poor people are idiot. You see it? Poor people run this. Poor people run this. You see it? The few rich people out there is inconsequential. You see it? In every way, shape, or form, because if Mother Nature for decide for disrupt things, you know, poor people are going to be the most strong or likely survivor. You see it? Because them done up on the ground and dirty them live. You see it? Some boy have to come off of many clouds, many different stages of cloud before him reach back down the ground. You see it? And the suffering now go there, wait for him to come down for adjust itself to feel lightning. Suffering not daily that. Suffering not take hostage. You see it? So some boy inconsequential for real in terms of earth and Mother Nature. You see, because just the basics will come here for advance. You see, I inherit. You see, we never come here for go and like say, all is mine. And all them type of things that like Bill Gates and all them type of people that we know. I mean, he claims that the world under a pandemic and things like that you see from how long you preach about this thing. Yeah, and come to the hilltide now, you spend some money, you spend all of your money then, and you get to come up with a vaccine. You see it, and over time, you're still not prepared to share the formula with the rest of the world, to stop the dying and the human suffering and the tragedy and things like that. We're going. You see it, so the world knows, show itself quickly, easily. You see it, one question. Are you prepared to share the formula with the rest of suffering world, suffering economies who might not be able to buy it? No! You see it? That alone, nail in your coffin. You see it, or at least you're going to pull a nail out of it, but the lid now lift off and people look down in there and I see the skeleton remain. That really is you. You see it? So, you don't know, we give thanks to clarity, you know. And enlightenment, you know, these time of revelation, Some guy push up them chest and go on like say them is all that. And them is all that. You see? Nobody there even have to do nothing for them get exposed. And them push jump out of the bag and run gone. You see it? So give thanks. You see it? And help watch them and find them out. You see it? Yes, sir. Now Rastafari name. Share, like, and subscribe and make we help grow the thing, man. See? Mad love and respect.